Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to fix not enough storage is available to process this command. Click search, then type regedit. Open registry to run as administrator. Select yes. Paste the text. The text will be given in the video description box. Click enter. If you can't find IRPStackSize, right click, then click new, then click DWORD 32-bit value. Paste the text. The text will be given in the video description box. Click enter. Right click on the IRPStackSize and choose modify. Right click on the start button. Click device manager. Click search automatically for update device software. Click close. Thanks for watching.